In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subpage in Squarespace to show in both the header and the footer of your website. This simple process will enhance your site's navigation and ensure that users can easily access key pages from any part of your site. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is the starting point of our journey today. Once you're there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. You'll now want to direct your attention to the section labeled Pages. Clicking on this will take you to the area where all your website pages are managed, a central hub from where we can orchestrate the structure of your site. In the Pages section, look for a small plus sign icon or button. This is usually located in a place that suggests the creation or addition of new items. Go ahead and click on that plus symbol. Doing so indicates to Squarespace that you want to add something new, specifically a brand new page that we can customize and configure from scratch. A menu will likely pop up with several choices for different types of pages and content you can generate. For our purpose, choose Blank Page. This option provides us with a clean slate, giving you complete control over the content and layout that will be displayed. After choosing the Blank Page option, you'll be prompted to type in the name of this new page. Select a name that aligns with the content or purpose of the page you wish to display in your site's header and footer. This name is how both you and your visitors will identify the page, so clarity is key here. Now, you'll notice a little gear icon next to your newly created page. Click on this icon to access the Settings menu. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to configure a variety of options for your page. Next up, click on Navigation. This menu allows you to decide where and how this page will be displayed on your website. It's crucial for making your page easily accessible from the most significant parts of your site, the header and footer. In the navigation menu, you'll find two important options: Show Header and Show Footer. Start by clicking on Show Header. This action will add your page to the site's header navigation, making it visible at the top of each page for easy access. Then click on Show Footer. This will ensure the page is also visible in the footer navigation, which is helpful for users scrolling to the bottom of your site. And that's it! You've successfully created and configured a new subpage in Squarespace that now appears in both the header and footer. This setup helps improve user access and site navigation significantly. Thanks for following along, and feel free to explore more customization options to further enhance your website.